Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Etsy to TikTok Shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok Shop account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account in TikTok Shop? It's simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type seller.uk.tiktok.com, and that's going to take you to the website. In the website, go ahead and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your TikTok Shop account. It's quite a rigorous process, but you have absolutely nothing to worry about as far as you have your credentials available. So after creating your account, it's going to take you right into this homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in TikTok Shop. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to connect Etsy to TikTok Shop. From this homepage, head over to the left corner of the screen where you have a couple features here: homepage, others, product, marketing, all the way down to finance. Go ahead and click on growth sector, and you have this extended menu to say missions and rewards, App Store, TikTok Shop partner. Go ahead and click on App Store, and that's going to take you to the App Store window. In here, you have all the applications available, and you even have popular platforms. So from here, head over to the top corner of your screen where you have the search apps and partners. Now in here, go ahead and type in Etsy. So punch the enter button on your keyboard and it's going to take you right here. So you have these applications that are connected to Etsy. Now you can use any of these to connect your Etsy to TikTok Shop. So you have this Etsy connector by Silk, you have the CD Commerce Etsy connector, and in others. So you can go ahead and select any of these that you would like to install, either Etsy connector by Silk or CD Commerce Etsy connector, as these are the ones that are pretty much available right now. So you can click on any of them and head over here where you have this install button. So go ahead and select install. And once you select install, you're going to see that this is going to be installed. So you have here target shop. So go ahead and select your target shop. Now, I do not have any shop already established in TikTok Shop because my shop has not been approved. But if you have your target shop, go ahead and select your target shop. Then duration, how long do you want this to be connected, then your contact email, then also add a contact phone number, and go ahead and click on this. By clicking confirm, it means you agree to the data. Then go ahead and click on confirm to install, and once you click on confirm to install, it's going to be connected to your TikTok Shop. So that's pretty much the process. So you can do that using any of the Etsy connectors that are available in TikTok Shop. So that's pretty much the process. Now, once connected, you can now do whatever you want to do through Etsy on TikTok Shop. I can go for the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.